Logic 0, example 12.3, contradictory statement. Okay, so we saw a statement like this in an earlier example, but let me quickly complete the truth table for this. So we're going to do a truth table analysis on this single statement. And there are 3 variables here. And with 3 variables, we now are going to have 8 rows. We're going to have 8 rows. So we'll go over, I'm going to skip the column under B, and I'm going to go to the far right column of the interpretations. I'm going to do true, false, alternating all the way down. And then for the next column to the left, it's going to be true, true, false, false, true, true, false, false. And then the next column to the left is going to be true, 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 false, 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 false. So 4 and 4. And then we do our vertical pipes all the way down. Have an underscore for the open parenthesis. So I do that all the way down the column. And A is going to be 4 trues and 4 falses, just like the setup. I'm going to skip material consequence, do an underscore for the open parenthesis here, and copy that all the way down. So I'm lined up nicely with the B here because we are using a monospace font. And that's 2 trues and 2 falses all the way down. Skipping material consequence. Now I'm lined up under the C because of the monospace font, and do alternating T's and F's. Conjunction is true when both are true, but false otherwise. So true when both are true and false otherwise. And then material consequence, we're looking to the left here and the right here. We have true, true. That is true. And true, false. That's the one case where material consequence gets false. True, false, true, false. If the left-hand input of material consequence, the antecedent, is false, then material consequence is true. So I don't even need to look to the right. I don't need to look at the consequent. Don't even need to look at that. If it's false on the left, it's going to be true. So that can help you speed up and make your evaluations more accurate. So underscores here, another underscore. I'm going to copy and paste that. Whoops. All right. And then A is true, 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 false, false, false. Skip conjunction, do the underscore, skip negation, copy and paste that all the way down, working vertically. B is 2 trues and 2 F's, and negation flips it. And we're going to skip disjunction, skip negation. We're going to copy those spaces and paste them all the way down. I'm lined up with C because of our monospace font, and copy over those values and negate them. And now we can do the disjunction, looking at negated B on the left, negated C on the right. We have false, false, that's false. If either left or right is true, it's true. So when I see a true on the left, I'm just going to put a true immediately, true on the left, true immediately. False, false is false. False, true is true. True on the left is true. True on the left, true. And now we can do our conjunction. A is on the left and this disjunction is on the right. True, false. If either is false, it's false. True, true. That's the only case where it's true. True, true is true. True, true. False, false. If there's a false on the left, I just immediately say it's false. And now we have material equivalence, the dominant operation. And we see on the left, we have material consequence, and on the right, we have conjunction. So we have true, false is false, false, true is false, false, true is false, false, true, false, false, true, false is false, true, false is false, true, false, and true, false. If they don't match, it's false. So they have to have the equal truth value. Otherwise, the material equivalence is false. And here it's false in every case, every row of the truth table. And so we're going to say it's contradictory. This statement is contradictory. It's logically contradictory. Sometimes we say that it's self-contradictory because there's no interpretation under which it could possibly be true. And the truth table shows us that because the truth table covers every possible interpretation. All right, we do our closing tag, get rid of our line breaks. And there is your answer string.